Oh, what's up, Pyros? Coming at you with the last minute stash update for this season. I picked up a couple things to add to my stash. So let's hop in. We got El Matador 49s. Is Major League Pyro, always coming through with the sick wraps. 49 shot radioactive. MLP. We got the Butcher. We got Pixels. We got Henchman. All these are 49 shots, 500 grams. We got Bossman. All these I got of cases of each of these. And I got a case of these 5-inch Widowmakers. I've never seen these before, nor have I seen this brand. This is from Jurassic Fireworks. So I'll be doing a demo on these soon. Excited to try these out. Then I got a case of the golden pack. All the little stuff it comes with. And I picked me up 2 cases of the Armageddon. Got a bunch of 16 shot cakes. I think 2 25 shot ones, and then comes with a 24 pack of KO shells. That's it, guys. It's my last pickup for this 4th. Hope y'all enjoyed the quick video. Keep stashing, and hope you guys have a happy 4th. Later.